Are you looking to get fit but don't know where to start? Do you want to lose weight and build muscle, but do we have the time or money to join a gym? If so, this video is perfect for you. We will go over a home workout plan that even a beginner can follow. This workout routine only requires your body weight and can be done anywhere, anytime, and it's completely free. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. This workout routine was designed by a professional fitness trainer with over 20 years of experience. It is important to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Proper form is crucial to getting the most out of your workouts and preventing injury. If you are new to exercise, it is important to consult with a doctor before starting any new workout routine. What is the best way to do this workout? To get the most out of this workout, it is important to do it regularly. Aim for at least 3 workouts per week, gradually increasing to 5 or more. This will help you build muscle strength and endurance. What should I eat to fuel my workouts? Eating a healthy diet is important to fuel your workouts and aid recovery. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide the nutrients your body needs to stay energized and recover properly from your workouts. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after exercise. Here are some great pre-workout snacks that can help you stay energized without weighing you down. A banana is a great source of potassium and carbohydrates, which can help you power through your workout. Greek yogurt is high in protein and calcium and can help you build muscle and stay full. Oatmeal is a filling and nutritious grain that can provide you with long-lasting energy. Now that we've covered what to eat, let's move on to the workout. Here are some tips for proper form and technique. Proper form is essential for getting the most out of your workouts while preventing injury. Start by warming up with 5 minutes of light cardio followed by dynamic stretches. This will help prepare your body for exercise. Focus on maintaining proper alignment and engaging the core throughout each exercise. If you are unsure about your form, consult a fitness professional for guidance. Now let's get into the exercises. The first exercise is the squat. Squats are a great exercise for working the lower body, including the quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, chest up, and engage your core. Bend your knees and push your hips back as if you're sitting into a chair. Keep your back straight and lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Push through your feet to stand back up and repeat for reps. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Next is the push-up. Push-ups are an excellent exercise for working the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest is just above the ground, and then push back up. If you're a beginner, you can start with knee push-ups or wall push-ups. Aim for 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps. Moving on to the lunges. Lunges are another fantastic exercise for the lower body. They work the quads, hamstrings, and glutes, while also improving balance and stability. Start by standing with your feet together. Take a step back with one leg while lowering your body down until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Ensure your front knee does not go past your toes. Push back up to the starting position and repeat with the other leg. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps per leg. The next exercise is the plank. Planks are a great core strengthening exercise. They also engage the shoulders, arms, and back muscles. Start in a push-up position with your forearms on the ground, elbows aligned with your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core, and hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. Aim for 3 sets of 20 to 30-second holds. Now let's do the bicycle crunch. This exercise targets the abdominal muscles. Lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders and head off the ground and bring your knees towards your chest. Engage your core and twist your body, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee while extending your left leg. Repeat on the other side, aiming for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. The next exercise is the calf raise. Calf raises are a great way to strengthen the calf muscles. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding onto a wall or sturdy surface for balance. Lift your heels off the ground while keeping your toes on the floor. Hold this position for a few seconds and then lower back down. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Last but not least, we have the sit-up. Sit-ups are a classic core exercise that targets the abdominal muscles. Sit with your legs bent and feet flat on the floor. Lean back and lift your feet off the ground. Use your core muscles to sit up, bringing your knees towards your chest. Lower back down and repeat for reps. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of this beginner home workout. Remember to listen to your body, take rest days when needed, and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts over time. Stay committed to your fitness goals and celebrate your progress along the way, looking for more ways to improve your overall health and well-being. Check out our other videos on immune-boosting foods, healthy diet, and natural remedies. Click on the links provided. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with friends and family whose health you may want to improve. Your support helps us continue delivering valuable content. Stay healthy and motivated on your journey to wellness.